In this video, I'll detail how to activate FaceTime on iPad, either iPad Air or iPad Pro. This video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can easily activate FaceTime on your iPad. Most especially if you're new to iPad or just got your iPad new and you want to start using FaceTime straight away, then this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to activate FaceTime on iPad, all you just need to do is go to your iPad settings. Then make sure you sign into your iCloud account. You may use a different account, different from your iPhone iCloud account, and sign into your iPad iCloud account. But if you want to call FaceTime from your iPhone using your iPad, then you need to use the same iCloud account as your iPhone. Then once you sign to your iCloud account, scroll down and click on FaceTime. Then go ahead and turn on FaceTime. Then once you turn on FaceTime, after a couple of seconds, the FaceTime will be activated. Now, if you want to call from your iPhone, that is, you want to call FaceTime from your iPhone, then turn this on. You can use your iPhone mobile account to make or receive calls where your iPhone is nearby on Wi-Fi. So if your iPhone is close to your iPad and you have incoming call on your iPad, you can use your iPhone to receive call. And if your iPhone is nearby and you have a FaceTime call, you can use your iPhone, you can use your iPad to make a FaceTime call on your iPhone. So just go ahead and turn on calls from iPad. So use your iPhone mobile account to make and receive calls when your iPhone is nearby and on Wi-Fi, just like this. Then once that's activated, you can just press the home button to go back to your iPad home. On the home screen, locate the FaceTime application like this. Then once you click on that, you can click on the plus button here. Then type the contact you want to make a FaceTime video call or voice call to here, or better still, locate the account you have here, then click on the account you want to call. Once you click on that, you should see the FaceTime call, and then here you can see I have it on my iPhone. Then you can just slide to answer, or like this, go back, then slide to answer. Then that is how to make a FaceTime call on your iPad. So with this, you should be able to activate your iPad now and start making FaceTime call with it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.